Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to turn off ads in Going Balls. If you want to get on with the ad-free experience on Going Balls game, then here is how you can do it. There are two ways you can turn off ads on Going Balls. The first way is to play the game in airplane mode. Simply go ahead and drag from the top right hand corner and then tap on the airplane mode option. Once you enable airplane mode, go ahead and play your game and you'll be able to go on with the ad-free experience on Going Balls. That was one way you can go ahead and turn off the ads for Going Balls. All you can do is to turn on your airplane mode. Now another way you can turn off the ads on Going Balls is to purchase the ad-free version of the game. While you're inside your game for Going Balls, go ahead and tap on the ads button in red at the top left right under the gear button. You'll be able to see two options displayed on the screen. You can now select the plan according to your need. If you want to stop forced ads, you can simply go ahead and pick this first option where you'll need to spend $2.99. If you pick the second option, which comes with no forced ads, 20,000 coins, and a unique ball, you can pick this $3.99 option. Select one of the options you'd like to go with and complete your payment information. Once you are done with it, you can easily turn off ads on Going Balls. So those were two of the ways you can turn off ads and enjoy the ad-free benefits from Going Balls. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.